Hello guys, I'm Alankrita Ghosh and you're watching my YouTube channel Fashion Flakes. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for future notifications. Today I'll show you how to make this journal, or you can also use it as your diary, as your notebook, as your sketchbook. I will show you the entire process to make this journal, from decoration to add the page. And you can make this journal with your leftover items, as it is lockdown and I don't have such many items to make and decorate the journal. So this was the journal decoration which I made from my leftover art tools. So let's get started. Here I have cut out some papers for my journal's page and clipped them equally for making a bundle. This, and I also cut out a piece of cardboard like the same size. I cut out the papers and I will cut it from the middle to cover both sides of my journal. And here I have thermocol balls, glitter foam paper, pink chart paper, or the color you like. You can also use any type of color. The scissors, sellotapes, gums and cellophane papers, and also some popsicle sticks to decorate my journal. And I will cut it from the middle to make both side covers. Now I have cut out the cardboard pieces, and measuring the thickness of the paper bundle, I will leave a gap between the two covers. And now I will place them equally in the chart paper, and now I will cover it with this chart paper using this Fevicol glue. And now I have finished covering the paper with this chart paper, and I cut out the circle like this and rolled the petals sides with a scissor, and now I will glue it here. I have made this flower by cutting out circle and petals from the pink chart paper, and I will glue it here to complete my fluffy flower like this and stick it on the flower. If you want a tutorial on this flower, you can comment it on my YouTube video. I'll make a tutorial on this. And I also cut out the glitter foam paper like a heart shape and stick it on a thermocol, and now I will stick the paper pages with this glue, and I will stick it on the cover on the middle gap and close the cover. So I have finished binding it, and now I will place this heart on the middle section of the cover, and now I will place the glue to stick the heart. Some amount of glue on the heart also to stick it more strongly. And now I will place it on the middle of the cover and press it, and then I will decorate it with this popsicle sticks to make a frame or a name plate. You can also use your favorite photo in exchange of the nameplate, and I will stick it the popsicle sticks like this to make a frame. So I have made this frame, and I also make an inserting mouth of the frame from here from here you can insert your nameplate or your favorite photo. And now I'll stick the flower. I think it will look better on here. And so I have finished decorating my journal. I stick the flower here and some thermocol balls to decorate, and I also make a nameplate written Alan's journal with a smiley and insert it from here. And now you can use your journal as your diary, your notebook, your sketchbook. Now this is complete. If you like this video, share this to your friends and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos.